Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's Angela Angie here, and today I'm doing a really quick setup / review for my new heart-shaped ring light. So I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so the first thing we have is, of course, the little charger for our ring light. They put in like a little phone holder that you can kind of place in the middle, and I love the fact that it's real nice and bendable. We also have a little phone remote, that way you can take your pictures by yourself and everything, so I'm going to give that a try. They included a little mirror for your makeup looks. I love the fact that they included the stand with it. I was very pleased about that. And last but not least, we have the ring light itself. And one thing that I noticed about this one is it has a little phone charger, which I thought that was pretty cool. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just set this up really quick. Not really nothing difficult, just gonna put this together and we'll go ahead and try it out. All right, you guys, so here's the finished product. So the first thing, when I put it on, I was kind of scared because I was like, okay, let me see if it gets a little brighter. I wanted it to have more of the daylight look, so I kind of started playing with the buttons to kind of get the look that I wanted. And also with this one, I think it's pretty cool that you can play with different colors. I really like that about this light, and so I'm just kind of testing out the different colors, kind of looking at them. You can also kind of put how bright you want them, how dark you want them, and they also have like a setting where it's like this kind of disco. Yeah, there you go, right there. This light, you can see all your colors, and it also speeds it up. I'm really excited about playing with this and just seeing what I can create. Alright, you guys, so this is how I look without the light on. So let me show y'all what it looked like with it on. Okay, and this is how it looked with it on. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Can y'all see the heart shaped in my eye a little bit? You can see it. So yeah. This is how I look with the pink light on, but I know I want to be in front of like a white background or something like that to play with that. But overall, I love it, and all the information will be in the box down below if you guys are interested, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.